Reef DVM's coming at you today. I'm sitting on top of one of the Super M's and I'm just about ready to head out into the field here. Got behind me one of the cages to swap out for my dad, who's out here baling right now. I've been baling for about 3 days before this, so it's my turn to get off one of the round balers and just play cage delivery boy. He's out here baling with the 5085E John Deere. He's got it on the 328 square baler, which has a bale kicker on it. He's throwing them up into the steel cages on the wooden bale racks. A beautiful day to be out bucking hay, that's for sure. Minnesota weather has not been the best for making hay this year, but you take it like you get it. The machine's running well. That's all that counts. Hay's coming in today. There he is out there in the field, just starting the top of the field closest to the freeway. See if we can get out here and get closer to the machine. The 328 John Deere has been a good machine for us. Like the kicker on it. It's got the 42 kicker on it. Takes a little bit of practice to shoot it into the steel cage, which is sitting on top of our older wooden running gears, but works really good. And just starting out, kicking up those first few bales of the afternoon. Nice, easy, relaxed day like this, we should be able to put up at least 600 bales. Get going on a crazy day, you can do several thousand, but no sense killing ourselves. The weather's good right now. Dust coming off the baler, that's always a good sign. The hay is dry enough, there'll be a little dust in the air when she's making hay. Day like this, you pretty much can run this machine all day long in probably about 6 or 7 gear. You push it all the way up into 8 or 9, but 6th or 7th gear and 1800 RPMs. This setup could run all day long easy. This land's got a little bit of a hill to it, kind of a depression with a little swath through the middle. Makes it a little tricky doing corners and coming across with the cage. But if you pay attention, you can throw the bales quite easily. Normally these cages can hold about 150 bales. We don't normally push them that much. Get a good 100 in them, swap them out. Takes a couple of people back in the barn to put them up in the loft while he keeps baling. This kind of setup, if you want, you can even run it with the eco throttle on. We're not running it with the eco throttle on today. We're going slow enough where we don't have to worry about it. But it's a nice feature that the 5085E does have. Just a beauty to watch as she goes by. Here's a different view of it as it comes around the corner. that big flywheel turning away. These notch cages are awesome. Got front entry, side entry. They really hold up well, folks. They've done us good for years. That was a nice shot right into the cage. Doesn't get no better than that. This row's been driven on a few times, but that baler's got the teeth right now, right down to the ground, and it just picks it up easily. Cage is filling up. That auger just takes it in. Well, folks, this is the August crop. The 328's baling it up. The 5085E is just playing with these two toys as it pulls them through the field. The bales are flying into the cage. Sun's out, a few clouds. You know, temperature's perfect, about 80 degrees. What more can you ask for when you're out baling? Appreciate you watching, folks. I got to get back on the Super M here and trade out wagons here soon and get back to work. But thank you for watching, and please like or subscribe to the channel and put out more great videos like this.